Hey guys, this is Untitled Chapter and I'm not dead. I've not forgotten the password to this YouTube channel. Neither have I stopped creating videos or quit photography, videography, anything. I've just been really busy settling into my new life here in Australia, and that's why I haven't been able to upload anything for the past 4.5, 5 months. I don't even remember. And it just feels so weird that this is the first time in those 5 months that I've been talking to a camera, when this was something that I used to do every single day back in India, back in Manipal at my home. So yeah, it's been a huge change for me staying away from all this. But hey, I'm back and I'm going to tell you everything that's been going down in my life here in Australia, how I've been managing my studies. For those of you watching me for the first time, hello again, my name is Untitled Chapter. I am a 4th year Bachelor of Advanced Computing student here at the Australian National University in Canberra. And yeah, I've been living here since Feb of this year. So Australian international borders were closed for almost 2.5 years, from 2020 up until 2022, and no international student had been able to enter the country ever since. They finally opened up in December of 2021, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, I arrived here in Feb. I have a video which was my previous video where I showed you my journey from Delhi to Canberra and whatever happened in between, so you can check that out here. But today, okay, so I have a lot to cover. I got a job here. I started cooking. I cook my meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner. I do everything on my own here, and I'd really like to show you how I've been living my life here. But first, this video is going to be a tour of my accommodation. I'm going to show you my room. So this is where I live, and I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to tell you the details of how accommodations work here, of my experience that has been staying here for the past 5 months now. Okay, so this is the entrance of the room, and right at the entrance we have a bathroom over here. I'll just turn on the light and take a shot to show you that in its entirety. But yeah, so you have a bathroom over here, and there's a kitchenette over here with a cooktop and a wash basin and everything. So this is where I cook all my meals, and I'm planning a cooking video where I show you what exactly I cook, how I cook, and I'm really excited for that. But yeah, let me just turn the camera around and show you the room that way. So to be really honest, this area stays like really dirty all the time, and I've just cleaned it like this for the video. So I'm being super honest here. So I have to cook every single day and wash the dishes and just clean this area, clean this cooktop, and usually a lot of things get spilled over here, and a lot of food remains and stuff like that. So this remains really dirty all the time for me. But yeah, every weekend I just try to clean it up a bit, so that make sure it doesn't smell or doesn't look really bad if someone enters the room. Okay, so this is the bathroom, and it's actually really nice. We have like 3 compartments over here to keep your toiletries. There's a wash basin, this is the shower, a shower curtain, and yeah, let's go. We have a full size refrigerator over here, which came as a shock to me, because we're used to hostels in India, and hostels in India usually don't have refrigerators. We even have a separate microwave here, so all rooms have their own microwaves, their own full size fridge. And yeah, so this is sort of like a self-sufficient setup. You have every single thing in your room ready for you to cook, and you can just store all your stuff, and you don't have to depend on a common area for that. So here I have all my cooking stuff. I have, of course, Amul pure desi ghee. I have some masalas over here, and cups, and yeah, so a lot of random stuff over here. I don't usually arrange this at all, so I just keep taking stuff from here and I just put it back. I don't really arrange anything here. So yeah, here I have some drawers. I have all the cutlery. There are some plates and cooking utensils. Again, to be very honest, I never arrange anything. I just cook, clean, put it back, that's it. And yeah, so similar stuff over here. A lot of random things here. Some cereal, bread, packed beans, marshmallows, everything. So yeah, so this is the bed, and as you can see, the size is pretty good. It's at a nice location. There's a lot of free space around it, so yeah, I have nothing to complain about. And this section right over here, I'm kind of weird. I use this luggage as a stand, so I don't have any work with this luggage right now. I don't have to go anywhere. I don't have to pack anything up, but I just keep it here as a stand where I can put like my clothes and anything that I need to use. I usually keep my hair dryer over here all the time, so I can quickly pick it up in the morning, use it, and just put it back. So right at the side of the bed, there's this nice cupboard with a lot of space and these nice storage boxes where I can arrange all my clothes. Again, I don't really keep this in check all the time, so there are just clothes just piling up over here. It's more of a run and gun thing. I do my laundry every weekend, and then I just fold the clothes, put them back here, and the rest of the week it's just run and gun, picking up things, going, putting them back. So yeah, that's that. And here's a very nice desk. So again, this room has a lot of space, which is exactly what I want. I can't stay in a really confined space, a really small space. It makes me feel weird. So I have my laptop here usually, and camera bag. Here's a 4-compartment shelf which has the most random things ever. I have a family picture here, my mic, some boxes over here, SD cards, chargers, webcam, and I just use this nice couch to have my laptop here, just chill and work. Sometimes you don't feel like sitting on the desk, so this is a very nice comfy spot to just sit, relax, eat and work. I have a Bluetooth speaker here, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And there's actually a nice small TV over here, which, fun fact, I've never even used. In 5 months I have literally never turned this thing on. It's a 720p TV. It has an HDMI port, but I just never got around using it. It just stays there. And yeah, that is pretty much it. This is the entire space. As I said, just wanted a quick, nice coming back video to share what I've been up to and where I've been living. Let me know what you think of the video. What do you like to see next? Do you want to see me cooking? Do you want to see a cooking vlog? I'd really love to do that. But yeah, for now, that's been it. I'll see you in my next one.